and Chicago has issued a special marine warning for inshore waters from Wilmette Harbor, open waters from Windsor Harbor to Wilmette Harbor out to mid-lake until 7:15 p.m. At 6:19 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 12 nautical miles northeast of Elgin, or 16 nautical miles southwest of Waukegan Harbor, northeast at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots and large hail. Source, radar. Impact, boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds and hail. Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Windsor Harbor and Waukegan Harbor. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for northeastern Illinois and adjacent waters of Lake Michigan. The following is a Summer's Weather Radio.